2025, January, yeah, that's right. We are gathered here again to celebrate a New Year activity to mark the 6th, I hope I'm not mistaken, annual New Year celebration of our Socotonians group under the umbrella of AFSP. Yearly we celebrate with the good spirit of being a Socotonian, as we are proud to be one. We don't allow differences to linger on in us because we allow the brotherly, sisterly relations as we have that spirit of Socotonians kami in our hearts and minds. Today, as we go on with our lives, we feel and understand every day our ages are going higher to its level, and later on we reach our limits in this world. But we care to hold on together, keeping ourselves to stay active, to dream and to shine, letting the Socotonians kami formula to let us go shining through. And this time we are again in the process to gather all our Socotonian friends to ignite the 4 magic R's, to reach out, to reconnect, to reunite, and to reminisce our Sokoto years. Then we celebrate all together with the Thanksgiving in one place. Let this not be the last, but let a torch to keep the flame burning and spark more. We pray to God for His guidance, protect us to reach the goal of our senior life and define the Socotonians kami momentum as being one family. Cheers! Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Mabuhay!
Buhay!